What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your amazing host, Moto Mac here. Back with another video today. I got a good one today. I got something at least somewhat interesting. I actually got someone to ride with today. It's an old friend of mine. We used to work together, and he's got a bike. So I'm gonna go out to meet him. I'm super stoked. You know, I don't really ever ride with people because a lot of my friends don't have bikes, and I think he's got like an FZ07 or FZ09 or something like that. This video is kind of a test for me. My last upload looked horrible. I mean, I think YouTube kind of compresses video, and they do some funky things with video files. So your uploads don't always look good anyway, I feel like, but I usually do 1080 at 60 frames a second. So today we're actually filming in 2.7K, 30 frames a second. I use Pro Tune and some other stuff, so we'll see how it comes out. Let's see, where is Benny Boy at? I think he said Safeway. This is Yokes. Where's Safeway? Is there a Safeway out here? Nope, that's Safeway. I'm dumb. It's across the street. Bro, it's so sick. It's so sick. Yeah. Look at this thing. Damn! What year is it again?
2014.
14. Is it a 7? FZ07? Yep.
No, it's an FZ09.
FZ09. Yeah. So it's a bigger one. Okay. God dang. FZ09 is what CC is that?
It's like 847, I believe. I'm probably off.
That's higher than mine. But this thing's so comfy, I bet though, dude. Sitting on that thing, dude, go ahead and sit on that. It's horrible. What do you for a long dude, it's so bad. Like, yeah, I want to get rid of it, but it's so fast, and yeah, I gotta sit on this bitch, this comfy ass bike here. Man. Oh, you're so lucky, dude. This thing's so comfy, I bet. You ever do any super dank wheelies yet?
Sure. No. I can't hold them.
Have you ever tried?
Oh yeah.
Dude, people get these.
If you ever try a wheelie on your bike, you're not a bike.
People wheelie the shit out of these things. What's up, guys? This is my new bike. These are also my new gloves. This is my new 2014 FZ09. I traded in the sport bike for the... Never mind, it's right there. All right. It's just caked with mud. Okay.
This is what happens when you don't take care of your bikes, people.
Okay.
Like him.
Hey, you know what? Let's take a look at your chain, buddy. Let's take a look at your chain. What the f*** is that? Dog, what?
This is what happens when you live on a dirt road.
That's so bad.
Shit about your shit.
Do you like clean and lube it though, ever?
I think I might have maybe done it once.
Oh Lord, that's not good. Is it a 3-cylinder?
Yeah.
Yes. Your engine's just different. It's like your bike, I think, probably has more torque than mine.
Yeah.
But mine has more horsepower. But torque is what really gives you that feel of like being pulled. Lake is basically like a giant river that spans from like Coeur d'Alene way out this way, and it's like there's no... Yeah, how long of a ride is this?
I think like 36 hours.
Oh god. I might have to get fuel first. What are you... Oh my god, I literally just poured gas all... God dang, what the hell? Oh my god, do not touch... Ben, do not touch one of those. It's gonna break your flipping hand. What are you doing? See you again. taking this exit. I hope. Come on, Ben. Where are you going, buddy? Yes! Yes! Oh, yeah! Oh, yes! I love this road. I'm so stoked right now. Yo! Oh God.
What have you done?
I don't know what. Oh, I dug a little hole. Hey. Let's not touch things at 70 plus miles an hour because it's gonna break your hand. Literally, you're like leaning at me and I was like, oh my God, don't do that. If you smack your hand on that, it's literally okay. All my fingers, your clutch fingers, broken. I can't believe how fast this bike is. Like, for whatever reason, I thought you had an FZ09, and they're peppy, but they're not fast. This bike is fast. Like. That's how I try to be in videos, but I get self-conscious and I'm like, I don't know, I don't want to be too fucking weird, and people are gonna be like, this guy's fucking weird, I can't watch this shit.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Some of these corners up here get fucking nasty. You gotta be careful.
Yeah, definitely.
You'll come into it and it'll be like halfway, you know, kind of tight, and then it'll tighten up in the end.
Well, there goes Ben. Bye.
Yeah, I don't want to have that on film. I really don't. Oh God. That's how you do it. See, Ben? Oh, he went way out to the outside. That was not good.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you want.
What is with you? You f***ing ride too much, too crazy, bro. You went over the double yellow because you went too wide in the corner. You get too much entry speed, not enough lean angle. You get way too close to that car. You're like right next, dude. And then like you'll be on the side of the road like this, where all the gravel is, where you fall and you're leaning in on the gravel, and it's spitting rocks at me. I'm like, what the fuck? Is this something you already knew about? You just come out here all the time?
You can hear it. Sasquatch!
What the f? What? Oh! Oh God! What are you doing, man? What are you doing? That's illegal! You don't do that, Ben. It's super illegal. No, don't do that. What the? My bike's faster, bitch! so much less comfortable than Ben's bike, of course. Ben's bike, it's like a Harley. You might as well just be riding a Harley, because he has all the comfort in the world, but he just can't keep up with the Super Sport. Did he just run over? Oh God. Oh no! We gotta ride again. You crazy son of a bitch. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. He's taking his leave and I'm going my way, and things were good. I had a good time riding with him, even though he's a little bit crazy.